Next, find the area of the given field. This is the given field. What? A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Okay, this is the total given field. You have to find the area. See, your problem is easy but lengthy. So you'll have to find for each separate area. Okay, let's start. Area of EFH. EFH, this half base height, 1 by 2 into 20 into 40, right? 400. Area of FHG, FHJG, FHJG, this is what? A trapezium. Parallel sides 20, 40. Height is what? 40, 40, 80, right? So half into 20 plus 40 into 80, right? So 2400. Okay, next, area of GJA, again triangle, 40, and what is this? 60 and 20, 80, right? This is 60, this is 20. So half into 40 into 20, that is 1600. Okay, GJA gone. Next, area of quadrilateral EDCI, EDCI, this, what is this? 50, 50, and it's given, is it given that it's a rectangle? See, this all angles we have to assume it as 90 degrees because 90 given over here. So remaining all, this is given as 90. See this short one, 90. So this is the rectangle because two sides equal and this one angle of the between the sides is 90 degrees. So it is a rectangle. So 50 into what? This is what? 40, 40, 80. So 50 into 40, 50 into 80, 4000. So EDCI is 4000. Now ICBK, ICB and K. Okay, what is this again? Trapezium. 30, 50 parallel sides and 40 and 20, 60, right? Equals to 1 by 2 into 80 into 60. Okay, that is 2400. Now last remains is AKB, triangle. AKB. This is what? Triangle. And this is 90 degrees. So base height 30, 60. Half into 30 into 60. That is 900. Okay. Now full area, add all these which we have found out. 400, 2400, 1600, 4000, 2400, 900, and total is 11,700 square meters. That is the required area. That's what I said. Problem is easy.